Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can stream live on TikTok on your PC. So first you need to open your browser and then go to tiktok.com. Once you are there, make sure you are logged into your account, and then on the top left you need to hover your mouse to your profile and then click on Live Studio. Here you need to click on free download for Windows and then start downloading it. I will meet you once it is downloaded. So here you can see that I have downloaded the setup. I need to double click on it. It will take some time to load. Click install. So now as you can see that I have downloaded the setup, then I need to run it. Click finish. And now you can see that the TikTok Studio has been opened. It will take some time to load. And now you can see that I have logged in successfully. Click on setup now. And here you can choose your microphone. Personally, I will choose default. Click on next. You can choose your camera settings. I will choose OBS virtual camera. Click on next. Here you can choose the video quality of your streaming. You can choose 1080p if you want. Click next. And here you can add scenes and click finish. So once you have hit the finish button, you can add the source. I will add my display. And if you want to start streaming, you need to click on start. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And I will see you in the next one.